Hello, I'm Brad Johnson, and welcome to the Healing Code Cards tutorial, and again, about the energy deck. And in this video, we're going to be looking into the Integrator cards that are contained in the energy deck, and I have one example here. This is the PEMF Integrator. So what this card represents is that I've actually worked with PEMF technology, and I was able to successfully capture the vibration of pulsed electromagnetic frequency, or pulsed electromagnetic fields. And this is actually imbued directly into the geometry of the card. And it has been maximized and optimized for your use through this card. Okay. So again, with the PEMF integrator, and of course there are other integrators as well too, like the Tree Life Force integrator as well too. We also have the integrators for crystals as well too. So amethyst and shungite and selenite. Okay, you can also use those forms of integrators as well. So if I have, let's say for example, the amethyst integrator right here, okay, and I have a piece of amethyst right here, I could just put this piece of amethyst right on my chest, and I can just put the card right over it. And what's happening is that the card is now starting to charge and purify and optimize the living prana within the crystal, and again is delivering it right into my body, right? So we of course get a lot of great healing benefits from simple crystals like this, and all this is doing is giving it a purification boost and enhancement. Okay, so I'm just putting the crystal right here, putting the card right over it, and just laying down for a few minutes and feeling that energy coming through with the amethyst integrator, crystal integrator, and just getting those benefits from that. Okay, so the same thing goes with shungite, the same thing goes with selenite as well too. In the future, I may be offering a few more crystal integrator cards right now, but I commonly use these three types of crystals, which is amethyst, shungite, and selenite, quite commonly, and that's why I've included them in this deck. But more crystal integrators will be available free on the sample page down the road as well too. So the integrators are phenomenal because, again, they have captured vibration already within them. And so whether you're doing it through the gazing method or through the charging method or through the body method or through the capture method, you're receiving all of the benefits of the natural frequencies that are integrated into the cards, and you are therefore getting the benefits of those specific frequencies. So that's what really makes these integrator cards stand out very well. So feel free to use them in all four methods, as I've stated, right? The gazing method, the charging method, the body method, and the capture method. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions on the integrator cards, you can contact me by email on the Healing Code Cards website. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next video.